The case involving Young Thug and the alleged YSL, Young Slime Life, gang is a complex and high-profile legal battle. Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffery Williams, is a prominent rapper known for his influence in the hip-hop industry. He, along with several associates, was indicted in 2022 under the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations (RICO Act). The charges allege that YSL is a criminal street gang involved in various illegal activities, including drug trafficking, armed robberies, shootings, and at least 3 murders. Young Thug, Jeffery Williams, accused of being a co-founder and leader of YSL. Kenneth Copeland, Lil Woody, a key witness who has provided crucial testimony against Young Thug and other defendants. Indictment and arrests. Young Thug and his associates were arrested in May 2022. The indictment claims that YSL has been operating as a gang since 2012. Trial complications. The trial has faced numerous delays and issues, including the recusal of multiple judges and allegations of judicial and prosecutorial misconduct. Lil Woody's testimony. Lil Woody initially refused to testify, but later agreed after being jailed for contempt. His testimony has included details of an alleged murder plot involving Young Thug. Interrogation footage. Footage from an October 2021 interrogation shows Lil Woody discussing the alleged murder plot, which has been a significant piece of evidence. Recent events have brought up a number of significant changes in the trial that involves Young Thug and the purported YSL Street Gang. In this trial, Kenneth Copeland, who is also known by his stage name Lil Woody, has been an important figure. In the beginning, he was detained because he refused to testify, but he eventually consented to do so. Several dramatic events have taken place, one of which is the dissemination of interrogation footage in which Lil Woody is seen discussing an alleged murder plan, including Young Thug. The trial has been plagued by a multitude of delays and issues, and a number of judges have been ousted or recused from their positions. However, the same could be said of Young Thug's high-profile criminal trial that will take place in Atlanta the following week. A fireworks show is just around the corner. The hearing that was scheduled to resolve the leak of a private communication between Chief Judge Ural Glanville of the Fulton County Superior Court and a key witness for the prosecution has been postponed until July 3. The hearing is the source of the tremendous drama that surrounds it. An extensive murder plot that allegedly featured Young Thug has been revealed by YSL Woody, who was given the information in newly released tape. In the video that was taken in October 2021, Woody is shown participating in an interrogation, during which he begins to reveal the Atlanta rapper's role in a plot to have someone killed that night. During the course of his discussion regarding the rapper's reasons for his actions, Woody, whose real name is Kenneth Copeland, begs the investigators to ensure that the disclosure of the crucial material would be beneficial to his lawsuit. However, the authorities stated that they were unable to provide him with any kind of preferential treatment. In spite of this, the 2 detectives gave him their word that they would convey the information that he had shown cooperation with the office of the district attorney. In a tense tone, Copeland divulges the information that somebody is supposed to get killed tonight. The information that I am aware of at this moment ought to be able to assist me in escaping my current predicament. This is a murder that is about to take place with some extremely attractive people. I will tell you this right now. I am aware of the individuals who are going to go and do it, and I am able to determine the time when they are going to go and do it, so that you can catch them in the act. Subsequently, Woody provides further explanation of his account, indicating that Shell Kell is the one who is designated to be the target. It is also said by him that the individual who is attempting to have Kell murdered is mad at them and obsessed with this guy. Copeland is questioned by law enforcement officials, who ask him, "Who are you talking about, Jeffrey?" in an effort to elicit information about the individuals who are involved in this potentially lethal conspiracy. An acknowledgement is given by the YSL affiliate, so certifying the Slime Season Entertainer's participation. He is moving in a new manner, and this nigh asterisk here is really smart. The pace at which he moves is difficult to keep up with. His movement is not the same as it was in the past. On the other hand, he is irresponsible, since he wants this nigh asterisk so much. Following his previous statement that Thug was stupid for staying in the neighborhood after getting wealthy, he continues by saying, "That's why I get away from him. It is because of this that you never see me post. It's just that I despise being around." Initial detention of YSL Woody took place on October 27, 2021, as reported by WSB-TV. This occurred when he was discovered driving the vehicle belonging to his girlfriend while carrying a loaded firearm. His girlfriend, Aaliyah Jackson, who had previously served as a law enforcement officer, made an attempt to remove the Instagram page of the convicted felon, which had evidence of gang affiliations. The acts of Jackson resulted in the officer being taken into custody as well. Regarding the RICO case, Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffery Williams, and who is currently 31 years old, is currently facing 9 accusations. A top count of racketeering conspiracy is one of the several counts that have been brought against him. Prosecutors assert that he was in possession of marijuana, codeine, and cocaine. According to the prosecution, the superstar was also in possession of a machine gun and hired the silver Infiniti Q50 from 2014, which was used in the murder of Donovan Thomas Jr., a member of a rival gang, in January of 2015. On June 10, 2024, Kenneth Copeland and his interim attorney, Kayla Bumpus, were instructed by Judge Glanville to provide an explanation as to why they should not be penalized in contempt for leaking an ex-parte conversation to Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele. When a court makes a ruling without requiring all of the parties concerned to be present, this is referred to as ex-parte decision-making process. It is important to note that Judge Glanville is also requesting that everyone who was present during the exchange to please appear at the hearing. In the wake of a turbulent week in the trial, which was highlighted by the fact that Copeland, better known as Woody or Lil Woody, was arrested on June 7, 2024, for first refusing to testify, this development has come about. It is thought that Copeland provided the authorities with information regarding the alleged criminal acts performed by Young Thug and the YSL group. Nevertheless, by Monday, Copeland had already decided to testify. Consequently, Judge Glanville found Brian Steele in contempt of court because he refused to reveal the manner in which he became aware of the confidential conversation that took place between the judge, the prosecution, and a critical witness. The refusal of Steele resulted in him being placed into interim detention and maintaining a contempt status until he discloses his source. Steele is permitted to continue serving as Young Thug's lawyer, despite the fact that this has occurred. The scenario was clarified by the trial attorney, Tom Church, who stated, the judge was having communications with the district attorney and a witness that were separate from the proceedings. What this indicates is that he was speaking with the attorney and the witness without any members of the defense team being present there. Moreover, this is typically regarded as being inappropriate. Attorney Steele, representing Rockstar, and Keith Adams, representing Young Thug, along with attorneys representing other defendants, have made many motions for a mistrial, alleging unlawful conduct as the reason for their requests. In response to all of the motions for a mistrial and pleas for his recusal, Judge Glanville has refused them all. This week, there is no anticipated evidence from any witnesses. Yet, the trial continues to promise a considerable amount of legal drama. So share your thoughts in the comments section below. Hit that subscribe button now to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.